How to reset Spotify for Xmanager. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is to simply uninstall Spotify application. So unlike this one, just simply hit on uninstall, hit uninstall once again to confirm. Now, once you have successfully uninstalled this, all you have to do next is just to simply open up your file manager from your phone. And then in here, just simply choose and locate OBB. And then once you're under OBB, all you have to do is to head down to Android and then hit on OBB once again. And then in here, just have to make sure that under data, Xmanager's Spotify will be deleted. So for example, this one, just simply tap and hold and just simply tap this bin or trash bin icon right here to fully confirm to delete that folder. Now for you to be able to reset everything, once you have successfully done all those steps, then you can just simply install your Spotify application via Xmanager. And that's pretty much it. It's how you reset Spotify for Xmanager.